Hello, my name is Alex Rovira, and this is my mentoring project. My mentee, Janet, is one of my 5th grade teammates. Janet and I are in our 3rd year working together at Quail Summit Elementary School. Being that we work together, I casually was talking about my master's program, and she asked if I would mentor her in technology. I was so excited that she was willingly asking me to support her as she furthers her knowledge in technology. I instantly knew she'd be a great mentee because she started teaching when there was limited technology in the classroom. She spends a lot of her time trying to keep up with the new online resources and programs. In addition, she constantly comes into my classroom asking me to help her with her technology problems. In regards to the SMART model, she's at the substitution level. In the past, Janet mainly incorporates technology into her teaching just by showing a video or having students type online. She demonstrates some augmentation levels prior to being mentored by me because of using some Google applications. But I believe she's mainly on the substitution level, and that's another reason why I wanted to mentor her. And compared to the TPACK chart, she has a lot of pedagogical and content knowledge, being that she's been teaching for 15 years. However, she lacks technology knowledge. We decided that we would focus on mentoring on collaboration online. We came to this conclusion because being that our classrooms are next to each other, Janet saw that my students were doing a lot of online collaboration, and she wanted to learn how her students can do the same. Because our classrooms are right next to each other, we formally meet every Wednesday after school and Fridays during school time during our PE prep time. However, she tends to come into my classroom before, after, or sometimes during school. However, I do not mind because it's easy for me to help her since she is so willing to learn. We always communicate in person, and when we meet, I first allow her to ask any questions that she has written down, and then I inform her on a new resource or help her with her collaboration skills. During a mentoring session, we would meet in her classroom and we both bring our laptops. I answer the questions she has for me, and then proceed to teach her a new component on Google Classroom, or again show her different programs that allows her students and her to collaborate online. At the end, I give her homework to try out in her own class. The homework I assign would be something that I've always tried in my own class. For example, one assignment I gave her to do was to post a question about what her students are learning about in science on Google Classroom. And her students would have to answer the question while replying to 2 peers. And it's similar to what we do in our master's class, however, on Google Classroom. And on this, it shows the red screen. That is what her Google Classroom looks like. I feel my mentee is more willing to take chances now after using technology and after this mentorship in technology. The chart that you can see is my mentee's reflection about how she's been progressing. She really connected with the SMART model, and so we focused on reflecting herself using the SMART model. We're still planning on meeting because her goal is to be at modification by January and redefinition by the end of the school year. I had such a great experience mentoring my teammate as a form of technology professional development. Not only did it help her progress in the SMART TPACK, but I also felt that it challenged me as a technology coach. Not only will I continue to mentor Janet, but I also want to open it up to mentor other teachers at my school. And it was just a great experience. Thank you.